How to download all photos from Google Photos to your PC. The easiest way to download your entire photo library is by using Google Takeout. First, open your web browser and go to takeout.google.com. Then sign into the Google account that contains your photos. You'll see a list of Google services. Click Deselect All, then scroll down and check the box next to Google Photos. If you only want specific albums, click All Photo Albums Included and choose the albums you want to export. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. Choose your preferred delivery method, such as a download link sent by email. Then select the file type and maximum archive size. After that, click Create Export. Google will begin preparing your archive. Depending on the size of your photo library, this process may take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, or even longer for very large collections. Once the export is ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. Simply download the archive to your PC and extract the zip file to access all of your photos. That's it. You've successfully downloaded all of your Google Photos to your computer. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google tips, cloud storage tutorials, and easy tech guides.